control M72 system that can put out the system up to 1,000.
So you could fire this remotely?
Yeah, remotely from 10K.
10 kilometers.
Yeah.
So I could park this in the field,
yeah,
and I could be back in the CP drinking some hot cocoa.
You could have a whole bunch of them all connected, and you could be controlling.
Oh, they're all networked?
Yeah.
Okay, do they have an autonomous function, or has always got to be a man hitting the button?
There's a man on the button all the time to validate, but the camera's always on, and it can identify movement, and then you get a,
so it's got a motion sensor?
You get a signal, yeah, and then you can check it out.
Does it slew to the target automatically?
It doesn't glue to the target automatically yet. We'd have to put the AI in that would do that, but right now
so it's all man in the loop right now. Well, that's the way it should be, to be honest with you. This is very cool, man. Is this on the market now, or is this a prototype?
No, it's ready to go. We have to just confirm our ballistic tables, so we'll be done.
What's a puppy like this run?
This thing?
Yeah.
All depends on how many you're buying.
How many you're buying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
That's
fair. Oh, yeah, thanks. I don't know that I'll be buying any, but I'll put you on the internet and you never know who'll see it, man.
I like the fixed defense line.
Is this the remote?
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty cool. This is like RoboCop.
Yeah, except it doesn't go haywire and shoot the board of directors.
Is he within line of sight? Does this have an indirect capability?
Yeah.
So you can lob it like a mortar.
Yeah.
What's the maximum elevation? Do you know?
Elevation gets you out 1,000 meters.
1,000 meters?
That's the range of the rocket.
So about what, 60?
Well, so 43 degrees is actually the maximum. Otherwise you're coming back.
Okay.
You know,
what's the circular error probable? Do you know on indirect fire? Do you know that? Like what kind of circle is it going to land in?
What we're understanding is that we're going to be bang on 600.
Okay.
Right.
All right. And that's direct or bullseye?
Yeah, it's going to just.
Okay.
It's going to be closer to 70%.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have like a mortar with,
you don't have
laying it in and all that kind of business. That's not integrated into the Army like mortar.
Okay. Do you got any armies using this yet?
No,
this is first time out.
It's brand new.
Okay. Yeah, this is awesome, dude.
You're seeing it, man.
I would have gave my arm and legs for this, so I could sleep in a tent instead of my foxhole.
Yeah.
So the idea is probably for the infantry guys, they'll put these out beyond the wire,
right?
Or behind, just in
forward
front
positions, right?
Forward, yeah. Or OPs will have
right.
all these,
right?
So the command center might have 5 of them around in front and the perimeter, and then you could, it reaches out more than a guy with a rifle.
Right. Yeah.
It's a lot harder, and you can, and it's got the good optics, so you can actually see people coming in.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Thermals especially.
Is it current generation thermal?
Yeah, latest
generation.
generation.
Oh, yeah, that's really awesome, man.